Welcome to the new. Even so, those say the person wait there for studio, you hold like 19 giri no number. Abraham said, "Free remain small for young pass this one." I don't know which kind of course they put on top of my head. When my mates they follow young boys, because of waiting and I'm money. As far as
the money self, I don't want that.
I feel like say use jazz for me.
Jazz, my sister, jazz.
Sometimes we don't need to contradict the words that we talk because
follow
you this
who
morning
they follow the talk
you
this
tell
one?
the people this morning
say,
you have to be grateful for the little way you get.
I don't want
So
this
you have
little.
to be grateful.
Oh, I'm grateful, but not for this. This one is not even up to little. It's not up to little. I beg new week, new system. All things are passed away. I talk coming the old.
In fact, this is more than old. All the things are passed away.
Good morning, everyone. Viewers, Sojari. Good morning. It's a Monday morning, and I know they're in the mood to say I won't enter into argument, but I will still react to this. Madam, auntie.
No, you call her. No.
You call me auntie. Grandpa.
For what?
Wait now.
Yeah, now call me.
Wait.
Ma call you name. Call me. Ma call you. Grandpa.
You blind when you come meet me.
Great. You judge me. You jide.
Honorable Nalayo. You don't call me now. You go meet her.
Why you know the
Nigeria?
Why you not talk so na jazz that take over you?
Honorable. Now because you climb on top chair. Now for night you come meet me, climb on top chair. If not be say you not be climb on top that chair, and you come this your cap, you don't put her down. That time thing high well. So by the time I gauge you from up, go reach down.
I know why now they react this way.
We know that politician.
The level of love, passion, what they give you, is now you are they give for not even talk all these things.
Who you love help?
You.
Who help?
It is helping her. It is changing her life.
Help me.
Honorable.
Now she did
Not jealousy, it's as simple as that. Jealousy, we know what is happening.
Honorable.
It is too early to start.
Honorable, when was the last time I saw your mint? The only time I see that mint, that night when you wear your big cap, you climb on top chair. I never see that mint again till now.
New government don't come into
Honorable, because you don't cut allowance,
the level of money we spend that time, no they spend that here. I expect me now understand.
That's your own expenses.
For waiting.
Your flamboyant carrying of women.
And carrying of Benin princess to Benin king.
Don't for this morning, Johnny. Make your wife throw away the word. That she always throw away. She like to form serious students. Throw away what give her.
Don't react. Talk to me.
I get very happy when all other wives we join hands together. Talk say yes. We need to say something useful on Monday.
Who be the all other wives?
Just
talk just talk the two way for that paper there.
Talk.
So honorable. This morning we talk about the Fulani's militia.
Headsmen.
Then go Benin to pronounce English. Say they had there.
Talk to me.
So honorable. What did you feel say with
all this is they make you laugh. I'm not finding this thing funny. I'm not finding it funny. Talk to me.
What do you feel say? What do you feel with their mission really? Because these people just they very quiet, but they do plenty.
That is behind the curtain. They do a lot of bad things. We they complain say yes, Boko Haram. They no focus on Fulani headsmen no. But right to that back now, it is time make government do it, make them look into these people because the way these people they take carry out their own gorilla this thing, not be even war this thing. Now to just enter into one community, quiet people, escape. Make government know what they will do about them. And the state government as well. Your affected state government do something about that too.
Can I say something?
I'm not don't say
I will say.
You know you need permission.
Don't point at me, but you go point.
I'm tired of talk. Do something. Can't you do something? Why can't the politicians and the leaders go to the battlefront? Why must you send soldiers?
See,
Can't you carry up arms?
You where they complain, say person they make mistake for English. Battlefront.
A leader should die. Should be willing to give up his life for the people. Can't you take up arms, you and your fellow politicians, and go to the battlefront there and stop?
I resemble army for your hand.
Oh, look at you.
I resemble Navy.
Look at you. This is
now
that is why this nation will never go forward.
Okay.
Look, I don't want that your problem.
Approve your method.
It's okay. Let's talk about
Approve your manhood.
Monday morning, respect yourself.
Leaders only by talk. Lead by example. Can't you stand in
what is happening to Saraki?
That one no go need to raise our voice. Only God know what happen to am. But if na due process say they follow, why the same due process never go round? But it has to go round.
Why did they target him?
That is the thing now.
Honorable, that your question they ask. Just like the question I ask. Say why your legs no they touch floor?
Wait.
As you dey talk say you want to comot go round. Why be say sit down so your leg no dey touch floor?
Make we go break. Make we go break. This man
Your leg no dey touch
Must
floor.
you expose me before Nigerians?
You are exposing Saraki before Nigerians. Why can't I expose you before Nigerians?
Oh, no, really.
You say it must follow due process. Why your leg no dey touch floor?
Saraki
No
do
be
wrong
due
when he
process. Say as you sit down for
APC
chair, your leg
logo
suppose touch floor.
computer. He do wrong.
What you do?
Okay.
Anyway,
Make we bad break.
You.
Let's bad break.
Monday
When we
morning,
come
you
back,
target
the show
me.
go continue.
You are targeting me. You
they
the
come?
supporter. You.
your leg dey
Your
touch
allowance
floor.
for this week.
Your
Okay.
Nibo.
Must you
we dey come back again.
No, I didn't mean that. I didn't
Make
mean
we
that.
take
way.
story.
I didn't mean it that way.
That be
now.
like that.
Make we take
Okay.
story. Then say make we no go break.
Okay,
I
let me
bet
not
sit
go
down,
break.
sit down for you. Ma take this. This story right over here. This one na human angle. Human angle where I see so they say one teenager, then Kolobi one teenager, where in they do somiye, nearly do the somiye with 3-year-old Pekin. This teenager na 17-year-old Byron Overton. They say they arrest him for inside Louisiana on a charge of first degree by force adult play.
Why Louisiana dey?
It's there for United States. As you never go outside United, people go di. Oh, one na.
Right on.
The mama. Anyway, they say now for inside Louisiana, na this one shele. They say the police talk say this guy when na Overton of Houston, Texas. They say he be there for the victim house when them be catch am for inside the bedroom. Now the victim, that na this small girl, in 12-year-old elder sister, entered the room. Come see as the boy don molest her sister. When the boy come see say they don't catch am, him come outside talk say she no go remember her now. Waiting a small pikin, according to the victim sister. Hey, the affidavit states, the affidavit talk say in a recorded confession, the teenager talk say yes, so I don't sexually assault the victim. I don't mean I don't they do so many things by force so many things with the victim. But they say Overton, they will book him inside jail and they put him bail at $500,000.
You see the kind of money where they put for bail there.
For 17-year-old, $500,000 on top by force so many.
See, this thing don't be like everywhere.
Hey!
That happen. Remember, not the last 2 weeks where we read the story of the boyfriend, 25 or 28 years old, where actually molest 3-year-old girl. As in, he actually put whatever inside the girl to the extent the girl died in the process. I said, I don't know what we need. Now, everywhere, even for Nigeria, honorable. At this point, I will join the ladies. Waiting una they do to stop this by force touch.
Not join us to stay your own. Stay your own.
I don't like her.
I mean, for me, my own opinion is different when it comes to very sensitive issues like this. Me, I don't know the kind of law where they run here. But for this issue, an issue like this, we could put very difficult law. We say, if you commit this kind of crime,
then cut your
waiting to follow you, you know go good. Now the kind of law we were supposed to see that. Don't be yes. They say they put one kind of money, penalty money on top of a person. Make we say that people go learn from them.
So wait, you want me you want me to book castrating? Me then castrate.
Anytime we say we at least
which
stop
one?
something. No, I no advise death penalty.
Oh, because you be man?
I don't do you. Let me talk. Let me talk. So what time I say I beg, make we look into our law. Know what we will do. 3 years, 17, 3 years.
So honorable, from that one, make I give you one weird story. Now, for those of now where they get headache, I don't know what you be, but you gonna need to go hospital go check them. Now, one woman for inside Texas, they say they suffer from terrible headache. Terrible headache. Where go even can affect the way she they see. She they suffer from her. Now she comes sit down and say, make I go hospital. Go see doctor. Make they tell me what be this problem. As she reach hospital, honorable, they tell her, say,
okay.
What don't enter her brain. So say they don't warm, long. They say after they don't conduct tests, doctors come see say tapeworm and eggs, they're full for her head. They say usually this parasite, so they pass through the body. But in the case of this woman, so where her name now Yadila Rostro of Garland, 31 years old woman, the thing passed through her brain.
This is a real West story. No, they very well.
Possible say she chop food
we don't
contaminated away. Number 2, enter inside by mistake. We need to really be careful with the kinds of things. But you know, say even with anything when you eat, worm they actually they fall inside human body.
Even meat, if you not to boil meat very well, worm they follow on.
Yes. So we need to be careful with the kind of food hygiene, especially. on top food.
But this one brain high. Normally go enter the body brain.
So you can be this calm when you talk.
I surprised.
Hey!
Well, time don't reach. Oluchi. The show don't come to an end. We could leave her for honorable. Bless honorable one continue to get word from her. But for me, Ubi, I don't know whether she did with that.
So you can be this
As for me
calm.
and Oluchi, we'll go meet tomorrow. Good morning,
You can be this calm.
Honorable will take over from here.
Take over with it. I ask you question, answer my question.
Now, why you dey shout like this?
Program. You can be this calm. Why they throw paper to me?
Take over now.
Take over with it. Who be the viewer?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.